Hey guys, it's Justin with TopDon, and I'm excited in this video to be sharing some new features that we have added to our Phoenix Professional line. Now, here with me, I have our Phoenix Smart, but these updates work on the Max, the Remote, the Smart, the Elite, the Phoenix Lite 2, and the Phoenix Plus. So let's get into it. All right, first up, and a very requested feature has been to add in our TC001 thermal imaging onto our Phoenix Professional line, and we have done that. Let's dive into the tool and I'll show you how it works. First thing we're going to want to do is actually go into Update and make sure by clicking Refresh that we have all of our software up to date before we start going through this. In this case, the tool's up to date, so we can move on. Now, if you've fully updated your tool, if you go under Library, you should be able to see the TC001 app that is now located in your library menu. So we'll have some prompts here that we have to go through. We have to allow it to record pictures and video. We'll click Allow. It also has to be able to allow access to your folders, so we'll allow that. And right now it's basically saying, hey, you don't have a camera connected. Now we're going to grab our thermal camera and the included cable that came with the camera. On one side you've got a female to male USB-C. You plug that into the top of the camera. On the other side of the cable you have a USB-C that has a regular USB adapter, and you're going to have to plug that in to work on your tool. Now on the top of our tools, or sometimes on the side, there is a USB-C and a regular USB input, and that is where you're going to have to plug the camera in for it to work properly. So we will plug that in, and you can see then that it is getting power because of the blue light. The app functions just as it normally would on other devices. We're not going to go into that because we have other videos on that, but just to give you an idea here. There we go, so that's pretty cool. Now, if you go into Library and there is not a TC001 app, there is another way that you can go about it. You're going to want to launch Chrome, and you're going to want to go to topdon.com. Once on the site, you're going to click and go to More, to the Download library. We're going to go to Other Tools and to TC View, and then we'll scroll until we get to TC001. And then we can click to download for Android, and this will go through, download the file, and then it will add it to your tool. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna hit Open. And it'll say, do you want to install an update to the existing application? That's because it's already on this tool. But you would just click Install, and then it would be under Library on the main screen. Up next, we've taken our Phoenix Scope software, which is popular in our Phoenix Max tool, and added it to the rest of the Professional line. Really simple to actually access it within the tool, but first things first, you got to purchase a scope. Okay, so on the main screen of the tool, we're going to click on Module and Oscilloscope. Now, I don't have our scope plugged in, so it's not going to launch it, but it is that simple. All you have to do is take and plug on the top side of this tool. On some tools it's on the side. Plug the scope into the USB, and then it'll actually launch the app automatically. So those are two of the features that we're really excited about. We hope that you are as well. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.